Yeah. Hi, good morning. This is Payal, a part of AFM team, and we are covering this event live from BSc Mumbai. And today we have Ms. Vera, and she is basically a BSc in psychology, right, ma'am? Okay, she has done. She is actually a graduate, and today she's here to share some feedback for whatever certification she has done and how this certification is helping, right? So you have done CWM program, ma'am. So first, I would like to ask that you are a graduate and being a psychology graduate, what motivates you to do CWM?
Well, it wasn't like a sudden change. I was always inclined into these two fields, psychology and finance. And along the way, the innovativeness in me thought, let's merge them both and see where this goes. So after my BSc clinical psychology, now I finished the psychological knowledge of mine. And I wanted to add on that with the financial part of it. So I did my CWM, which really helped put piece the puzzle together because now I'm looking into the financial psychology of understanding investments and people together. So it helps a lot when I'm talking to people and dealing with their investments.
Very nice, very nice. Thank you so much. So my next question to you is, would you say CWM help you to acquire better understanding in financial sector?
It did because even though I have a commerce background and I've done my economics, this was more of the push forward wherein I got to understand a wider knowledge of everything.
Okay.
And yeah, that was kind of like a push that I got.
Very nice, very nice. So my last question for you is, what was your experience after earning this CWM in terms of opportunity, career growth?
Hmm. So
Means how this
I
help you?
yeah. So currently I am starting my own business line. So when I use when I use it in my name that I am the Sparrows and I've done my CWM, it gives me credibility and respect among people because being young, I need to show that I have the qualification to take their investments forward and help them grow and have that um, understanding towards
Right,
it,
right,
right?
right.
So this is what gives me that level of respect and credibility.
Right, right. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. I hope this feedback will help all the CWM aspirants because we have lots of freshers coming into the industry of finance, and I hope this will help you them a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.